Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and send your first newsletter using Mailchimp. Even if you are a complete beginner, let's get started. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing tools that helps you send newsletters, updates, or promos to your subscribers. It's free to get started and easy to use. First of all, head over to mailchimp.com and sign up or log in. You can use the free plan if you are just starting out. Before you send emails, you need an audience, basically your contact list. Click audience in the left sidebar. If you haven't created one, Mailchimp will prompt you to add your audience name, default from email, and sender name. You can import contacts from CSV, copy, paste emails, or manually add them. Now let's create the actual newsletter. Click Create, choose Email, name your campaign like April Newsletter, select regular email and click Begin. Now you will set up 4 main parts. 2. Choose your audience from your name and email, subject line, make it catchy content. This is your newsletter layouts. Click Design Email. To choose how your newsletter will look, choose a template or start from scratch. Use drag and drop blocks, text, images, buttons, drivers, heading, paragraph, button, driver, logo, creative assistant, video, code, survey, etc. Keep your layout clean, mobile friendly, and easy to read. Before you send it, click preview and test to check how it looks on desktop and mobile. Click preview and select mobile and desktop. Once everything looks good, click send. Or schedule it for later. And that's it. You have created your first Mailchimp newsletter. Nice work. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more beginner friendly guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to all of them. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.